Do you want to start a side hustle? Do you want to make some extra money? $500? $1,000? Will that make a difference in your life at the end of the month? Well, if that is you, let's keep on watching. Alright guys, right now is the best time to start your side hustle. Why? Because it's the holidays. People are out spending money, buying stuff they don't need. They're buying TVs, ceiling fans, furniture they don't want to put together themselves. And that is where you are going to come in. You are going to become a handyman. If you've been thinking about it, well, now is the best time to do it. Because like I said, people are buying all kinds of junk they don't need. And you are going to be making their life easier. TV installs are one of the top, number one, handyman jobs you are going to get when you first start your handyman business. The more TVs people buy, the more TVs that need to be put on the walls. So more work, more money in your pocket. Now, why TV installs? Because they're the easiest, guys. When I first became a handyman, my first job was actually installing a TV on a wall. And it was an easy $75. If you're a handyman, the going rate in my area for the cheapest handyman you can find, I would say, is $75. And that is a standard install to install something that you can pick up yourself. You don't need a helper to help you pick it up. And it's going on drywall. $75. Let's say this is the first time you doing hanging a TV. How long is it going to take you? Normally, the first time, if you never picked up a screwdriver in your life, it's probably going to take you maybe, I would say, 2-3 hours, tops. So the way you're going to do this is you're going to post your ad. Come up with a name. You don't know a name? Well, use your first name. Mike the Handyman. John the Handyman. You know, whatever. Doesn't matter. It's not, you don't have to stick to it for the rest of your life. Just something that people can remember your ad by. Then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go on social media. What's popular in your area? In my area, it's going to be Craigslist. Nextdoor. I never use Nextdoor, but I hear a lot of my customers use it. Craigslist is going to be the main one for my area. So you're going to make an ad. Something very simple. But you have to understand, the attention span of people nowadays, it's only a few seconds. Okay? So, you have to stand out. Don't just put in there, I'm a handyman, hire me. Period. No, nobody's going to hire you like that unless they're desperate. What you're going to do is, you're going to put some effort. I'm going to give you a few pointers. You want to catch people's attention. And the way I do it is, let's say you're online right now looking at my ad. The first thing you're going to see is, are you looking for a handyman? Are you looking for somebody reliable? Are you looking for somebody that's actually going to show up? How about somebody that guarantees their work? Well, if that is you, look no farther. And that is exactly what you're going to find in my ads, especially on social media. Because that is going to catch people's attention. And that is what you want. After that, you can put whatever you want. Put your name in there. How long you've been doing it. If you're just starting, don't put in there, this is my first day, you are going to be my first job. Just don't say anything. Hardly anybody is going to ever ask you how long you've been doing something. They just want to get the job done. Okay? And then you're going to put the services that you provide. Like I said, you need to learn to change a ceiling fan. You need to learn to hang a TV on a wall. And, you know, furniture assembly jobs are easy. They're common sense. Just follow the instructions. It's that simple. If you've never done it in your life before, it's going to take you a little longer than somebody that's done it before. That is the only difference. Now, if you want to make your life easier, this is what you're going to do next. You're going to go on YouTube, just like you are right now. And you're going to see how to install a TV. How to change a ceiling fan. To make your life easier, when people call you or text you, you're going to ask, what kind of TV are you going to install? What size is it? Is it going to go on drywall? Is it going to go on tile? Stone? You're going to get as much information as possible. Then you're going to go on YouTube and you're going to research. You're going to see other people installing TVs on drywall, on tile, on stone. That will give you an idea what the job normally takes to accomplish. So that way, when you go do it for the first time, you're not going to be intimidated by the job. And it may take you a little longer than somebody that's done it before, but you are going to be able to get it done. You know why? Because I did it. Nobody helped me. Nobody taught me anything. I learned everything on YouTube University. It's that simple. Now, I know you're scared. I know you've never done it before, but you want money, don't you? You want to pay your bills. You want to be financially stable. I know you already have a stable job right now, but I can guarantee you it's not paying you enough. And you want some extra money. Get out of debt. Buy whatever the heck you're trying to buy. Who knows what the reasons are? It doesn't really matter. You want to make money. Now, TV installs, ceiling fan replacements, and furniture assembly are the main jobs you are going to be getting during the holidays because people are spending money. They're buying stuff they don't need, and those people don't want to do the work themselves. They are going to go online in the next few days after Black Friday, after Christmas, and they're going to be trying to find people to do the work for them, to make their life easier. That is where you come in. So if you're trying to start a handyman business after holidays, it's the best time to start. Unknowingly, that's how I started. I posted my ad just after Black Friday many years ago. I didn't even think about it. Nobody gave me this tip. It's just something that I did. And my phone started ringing at 6 in the morning the next day, and it hasn't stopped since then. But anyways, how much to charge, how to get the job done, it's irrelevant. You need to land jobs, and after that, you're going to do your research. Go online, take your time, and it's easy, extremely easy to make money. Like I said, TV install, very basic, something that takes me right now 30 minutes or less, $75, okay? Ceiling fan replacement, $75 as well. And it depends on the size of the ceiling fan, it depends on the height of the ceiling, many different variables out there. But $75 in 30 minutes. If it's the first time you're doing it, obviously it's going to take you 1-2 hours. But $75 there, during the weekends, get a few jobs. I mean, in just a matter of a few hours, you can easily make an extra $500 to $1,000 your first month as a handyman. If you're looking for a side hustle, being a handyman is going to be number one. Furniture assembly jobs, I mean, if you want to keep it super simple, just assemble furniture for people. Easy. It just takes time. I don't like doing it, but people will pay you for it. And once you actually do a few, everything else that comes up in the future is usually the same, almost the same. So you will get faster, you will get more proficient, and that way you can fit in more jobs in a single day. But anyways, guys, hopefully this motivates you. If you have any other questions, as always, comment below. If you don't know how much to charge, just comment below. I will give you an idea, a ball range, how much to charge. But if you want to find out yourself, just go online. Find other handymen, send them a text message and tell them. Ask, how much do you charge to change this? Just pretend you're a customer. Anyways, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you next time.